Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Okay, you got your FXR, you put a big motor in it. Now you need to drop the revs because that motor is going to pull like a freight train. Okay, we do three options: a 32, 33 and a 34 Andrews pulley. Okay, this is proper Andrews American pulley made in USA, CNC steel. Okay, not Mickey Mouse die-cast crap like most of them. This here is a 61 tooth pulley. The stock American is a 70, so this will drop your RPM considerably. Now, to use this particular pulley, this is a 1 1/8, which obviously means you can get a slightly wider tower in anyway, and it's very strong, true. It's hardened, you know, aluminium with the hardening coating on. Okay, now this is a Falcon SPC belt. This is special carbon, okay? So the SPC belts are a lot stronger than a normal belt. We also do the Gates poly chain if you want those as well. And we can do it with a 70 if you really want a 70 and a 1 1/2 belt. But this particular kit, the whole point is you can have a wider tower in if you want. And also, it means it's a stronger belt even though it's thinner because this is later technology than the old bikes, okay? The 32, 33, 34 gives you various options on gearing, okay? And that's easy to modify with using different speedo drives if you think your speedo is going to be out, or alternatively you can just fit an electronic one. But cracking bit of kit. This will drop the revs with a 32 15%. If you're fitting a 33 and a 34, it's going to drop the revs, I'd say at least 20, at least, if not more, 25 perhaps, but you can work that out with the calculator online. But if you're interested in any of these great bits or any other FXR parts, we do S&S motors, we do Baker trannies, we do better brakes, better handling, better seats, FXRP used fairings, and FXRT, plus clamshells, plus pretty well anything you're ever going to need for your FXR, literally. Give us a call, 01773835666, CustomCruisers.com, or the new site, CustomCruisers.eu, if it ever gets done, God help us. Or email sales@CustomCruisers.com, 01773835666. Thank you.